Here we are in Sweden at Viking Brutality, and the local Swedes here are super nice people, and they're going to teach us how to speak Ikea. So how do I say hello?
Samlag.
Samlag?
Samlag.
Ah, yes.
All right. All right, I got another local Swede here. How do I say goodbye in Ikea?
Oh yeah, you say it like this. Ät skit och dö.
Ah, cool. At tweetaka.
Yeah, ät skit och dö.
Ah, tweetata. Okay, cool.
We love that. Nice.
Yeah. So, this man just had a great match and everything. How do you say I won in Ikea?
Jag blev riktigt rånbögmördad.
Excellent, excellent. All right. And here, a member of the law enforcement who's come to join us will tell me in Ikea how I was such a good representative of the United States in Sweden. And he'll say it in Ikea.
Ja, på Ikea så säger man jag älskar att ligga med män.
Excellent.
Perfect,
Thanks a lot,
excellent. Thank you
man.
so much.
Thanks. Yeah,
There you go.
Whoa, where's my thing? So, how do I say in Ikea that I had a great time at the match?
Den här skiten suger fett. Vi kommer aldrig mer tillbaks.
Excellent. All right. Thanks, man.
Good
Yeah.
for you.
Fuck yeah. Yeah. All right. All right. So here we are, learning to speak Ikea here with the local people. They're being super helpful. This man just finished up, shot the whole match with a Tavor. So how would you say Tavor rifles are great in Ikea?
Ja, det känns lite som att bli rånbögmördad av ett sprutluder.
Awesome, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Now over here, we got another gentleman here. Now this man just shot the whole match using a Ruger PC carbine and stuff.
That was fun.
So yeah. So why don't you tell us in native Ikean, like, why you picked the PC carbine?
Det är som att springa runt som ett litet rumptroll i skogen.
Excellent, excellent, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, got another thing here. Now this guy teamed up with the guy with the Tavor, and it was in the excellent M90 camouflage. Could you tell us in native Ikea why you picked M90?
Ja du, det är ju som att bli rånvåldtagen i duschen helt enkelt.
Oh, wow, that's so cool, man. Appreciate all the help, man. It's been great shooting with you guys. All right. So, in Team America's continuing series here in Sweden about learning the local customs, this gentleman's offered to help us speak Ikea. And so I'm going to ask him a question. He'll answer in the native language. So, you told me this was your first brutality match. How did it go?
Jo, men det kändes bra. Vi fick lite svenska köttbullar här också.
Oh, man, that's really cool. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And this guy's on my squad. He did Berserker with me. So tell me what you thought about Berserker.
Det är en bögdivision.
Oh, man, great. Awesome, man. Hope to see you next year.
Ja.
And this guy is so tactical, he's civilian. So as a civilian shooting brutality, what was your impression of it?
Jag tycker att du är en jävla hora, alltså ärligt talat. Men det är ändå godkänt.
Oh man, that's super cool. Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Tack själv.
And these guys were from Snagel, a Swedish company here. And they make really good, they were great to shoot with. How did your gear perform compared to my American gear?
Jag skulle säga att det behövdes mer vaselin mellan skinkorna faktiskt.
Oh wow, so we're right on par. Cool. Thanks, man. And here's another fellow berserker and stuff. Yeah, we had some really cool stages together. What was your favorite stage here at Viking Brutality?
Alltså alla stages var skitroliga men sen kom han Polinar och då gick det bara nerför.
Oh man, that's so freaking cool. Thanks. We hope you found this edition of How to Speak Ikea helpful and informative. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in to future videos where we'll delve into the local languages of the places we visit.